can I actually eat like a millionaire on a ramen noodle budget? Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank, but I know it's easy to feel like superfoods are a luxury only the wealthy can afford. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing all these amazing healthy meals and thinking, yeah, right, that's not in my budget. The truth is, many people believe that eating superfoods means you have to be a millionaire. It seems like every time we turn around, there's another article or influencer telling us that we need to be eating acai bowls and exotic berries to be healthy. But what if I told you that's just not true? You don't have to spend a fortune to get the nutrients your body needs. In fact, some of the most affordable foods are also some of the most nutritious. And I'm not just talking about the usual suspects like bananas and carrots. There are so many superfoods out there that won't put a dent in your wallet. The problem is, we're often misinformed about what superfoods actually are and how much they cost. We're led to believe that there's some kind of magical, expensive food that only the elite can afford. But I'm here to tell you that's just not the case. Let's talk about some specific examples. Oats are an amazing superfood that's super affordable. You can get a bag of rolled oats for under $5, and it's packed with fiber and antioxidants. Try adding some fruit and nuts to your oatmeal for a filling breakfast. Lentils are another great one. They're basically a superfood on steroids, high in protein, fiber, and minerals. And you can get a bag of them for under $2. Make a big pot of lentil soup on the weekend and use it as a base for different meals throughout the week. Frozen berries are also a great option. They're just as nutritious as fresh berries, but they're a fraction of the cost. Add them to your oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. Spinach is another superfood that's easy on the wallet. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and you can get a bunch of it for under $2. Throw it into a smoothie or saute it with some garlic as a side dish. One of my favorite budget superfoods is definitely lentils. I mean, think about it. You can make lentil soup, lentil curry, add them to salads, or even use them as a substitute for meat in dishes like tacos or spaghetti. You can also use lentils to make a big batch of veggie burgers. Just mix them with some veggies and spices, shape into patties, and freeze them for later. Lentils can even be used in desserts. That's right, you can make lentil brownies or cakes. Okay, maybe that one isn't for everyone, but it's a great example of just how versatile lentils are. The possibilities are endless, and that's what I love about cooking with superfoods on a budget. You don't have to break the bank to eat healthy and delicious meals. So, the key takeaway here is that eating superfoods doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to be a millionaire to eat like one. By shopping smart and being a little creative, you can get all the nutrients you need without breaking the bank. If you've got a favorite budget superfood, let me know in the comments below. And if you want more money-saving health tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I've also got another video on healthy eating on a budget that you might want to check out.